Okay, so next, there was little plastic caps over this part here, like this. We're in here, and had to take those off, and there's a screw behind each one. Undid those, and it popped right out, so that's good. I took off this trim piece along the top there, but in hindsight, I don't think you need to. And then down at the bottom, this piece here rests right on there. And then there's a screw here and a screw here. And I think that's all that's holding me up so far. So I'll let you know. Alright, so got it out. It was just those last two screws holding it on. Problem is, this is a mess. Looks like that was stapled in to something on the bottom here. But the plan is to knock that whole wall out anyways, and probably this one too, so we'll see. Next step is to get this thing out of here and clean out these walls and see what we're working with.